Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be guessing my Needoh and Needoh type fidgets. So before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys successfully completed the 5-second challenge, comment down below if your favorite fidget toy or squishy are Needohs or any Needoh type fidgets. So without further ado, let's go into it. So I don't know how many rounds I'm gonna do, but I'll show you what types of Needohs, like Needoh and Needoh type fidgets are here. So I have like slugs, dumplings, actual Needohs, this like s'mores, peeps, squooshums, all those. So like I said, I don't know how many rounds I'm going to do. There's like not much in here, so I might do all of them. I don't know. So round 1, and if I get them right, I can put them like to the side, and if I get them wrong, I can put them back or keep them to the side as well, like make separate piles. Let's go to the bottom here. Oh, this is one of like the little, I think this is one of the mochi squishies. Not like the actual ones where they're like jelly, but like one of them. Yes, I was right. It has a face. So I got this one right. So I did something similar to this a couple of years ago, where I guessed my poppets and guessed fidget toys a couple of years ago. So and today, like I said, I'm doing with Needoh and Needoh type fidgets, and comment down below if you guys want me to do it with my Orbeez stress balls, my like, I don't know, mini brands or something. I can keep doing this. So anyway, round 2. I'm gonna look this way and close my eyes. Well, this is a slug. I have like a blue, pink, green, and yellow slug. I'm not gonna get the color. So yeah, this is a slug. Yeah, this is a yellow slug. I got all of my slugs for Easter last year. If you haven't seen that haul video, go check it out. Easter haul 2025. I got these for Easter last year. And I got like a 4-pack of these from I believe Five Below, like a year ago or so. A couple of years ago, so I had them for a little bit. So I got that one right. Okay, round 3. Oh, this is one of the Jelly Belly ones. Yeah. Apparently they're scented. Yeah. I got these, I believe, from Target or Five Below. I can't remember. There was a 4-pack of them. Yeah, I got that one right. I got all of them right so far. Like I said, if I get one wrong, I'll put it aside, like on this side. I'm putting all the right ones by like my mini brands filter fridge collection, and like over on this side where all like most of my stuff is for my desk. Anyways, round 4. Let's go. Oh, this. Oh, what is this? Oh gosh. It's not a slug. What is it? Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. Is it scented? It's not a dumpling. I don't even know what this is. I'm just gonna open my eyes because I don't know what it is. Oh, my Needoh Cool Cat. I forgot about this. So first one wrong. Hold on 1 second. Let me see something. Oh, and also I did something like this with Easter eggs as well. Guessing the color of my Easter eggs. Yeah, I did something similar to this with Pop-Its, fidget toys, and my Easter eggs. So, anyway, yeah, I got this one wrong. Round 5. Okay, I'm digging to the bottom. Oh. What is this? Is this my Shaggy Needoh? Not my Shaggy Needoh, my Atomic Needoh. Not my Shaggy Needoh. What am I saying? I'm still gonna get it right because I knew it was an Atomic Needoh, not a Shaggy Needoh, because, yeah. This is an older Needoh. So is the Cool Cat, and I believe the not the Fuzzball, the Shaggy Needoh. And a lot of them are older. And I got them before fidget toy Needohs became trendy. Anyways, yeah, I'm counting this as right because I knew it was an Atomic Needoh, not Shaggy Needoh. One second, I gotta look. I gotta see something. Sorry. Anyway, round what? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6. I can do all of them, but I don't know if I'm going to. Oh, what is this? Is this one of my Squishums? It's not. I don't think it's one of my Squishums. I don't think it feels like a Squishum. I'm gonna say one of my Squishums. Yeah, it is. It's Piglet from Winnie the Pooh, from the Disney Squishums collection. Anyway, round 7. This one. Oh. This is also another one of my like Squishums. I think it's the cupcake one. I think it's the cupcake Squishum. I don't know. Oh, it's not the cupcake Squishum. It's this is I believe from the Roblox Squishums. I believe so. I don't know, but did I got it a Squishum. Yeah, I got it a Squishum, right? I'm just gonna say I got this right because it's, I guessed a Squishum. So anyway, round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 8. Round 8. Okay, this is one of the another one of those Jelly Belly squishies. It's the purple one. I believe this one's grape, and this one I believe is blue raspberry. I don't know, but I got both of those right. Anyway, round 9, I believe. Oh, this is one of the bigger ones. This is like my big Atomic Needoh. But it's not really called that because it's, yeah, Atomic Needoh. This is an actual Atomic Needoh. This is like an off-brand Atomic Needoh that's like it. So I think this is round 11. This is another one. Oh, maybe it's one of those globbles. Yeah, it's orange globble, I believe. Yeah, it's a one of the globbles. Okay, round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is round 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Yeah, round 11. I thought it was round 12, but... Oh, this is, I believe, a cool cat. My purple, or my teal cool cat. Yeah. I believe I have a lot of older ones in here. Like, hold on, let me just show you. Like this Groovy Glob. I have a ton of Groovy Glob ones in here. Quite a few. And this color changing Needoh. Oh, and also this Needoh Doji is old. I have like 2 other global or Needoh Gloopy Globs in here. But anyway, round I believe 12. Oh, this is, what is this? Feels like a bat. What is this? What? I don't remember. It feels like a bat. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, a bat. It's Dumbo. It's a Dumbo squishum from the same collection Piglet is from. And also, I don't have like my Needoh ice cubes in here because they're in a separate drawer. They're my sugar ball textured Fidgets, and that would be obvious. So, anyway, I got that one wrong. Round 13, I believe. This is another one of those globbles. It's a green one. Okay. I might do a few more rounds. This is round 14, and I might do 20. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 7 more rounds. I'm not doing all of them. Oh, this is like my glow in the dark Needoh type stress ball. Yeah, I got this, I believe, for Christmas a few years ago. Either Christmas, my birthday, or Easter. One of them. I think either Christmas or Easter a few years ago. So this one has been through a lot because it's like deflated, but it's still fun. Round, I believe, 14. Or 15. Round 15. Oh, this is one of the Groovy Globs. I'm not gonna guess the color. Oh, it's one of the Groovy Glob color changing ones. Same thing, but it's still a Needoh. One of the older ones. I think this was one of my first Needohs. So I'm just gonna, yeah, it's a Groovy Glob color changing Needoh. So I'm counting that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Round 16. Oh, this is my Peeps Blue Bunny Squishy. One of the newer ones. One of the newer ones. I believe round 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. Round 17. Oh, this is my Needoh Doji. Yeah. I don't really like these. I like the... Once you get more of them, you could interchange them. You could take the mini Needoh out of the skin. But yeah, I got that one right. I believe this is round 18. Yeah, 18. This is one of the other mochi squishy guys. Yeah. It's the pink one. I have an orange one, a green one, a blue one, and I believe I have an orange one, a green one, oh, and a blue one. So, this is round 19. Okay, this is one of the other globbles. It's pink. And, okay, this is the last round. Round 20. Oh, I didn't mean to open my eyes. This was about to fall. This one. Oh, this is one of the macaroons. I have a green one, a purple one, a pink one, and I believe a orange one. And I have the green one in my hands. Okay, so I got 2 wrong, and I believe 18 right. So I'm gonna put these back in the drawer. That was fun. Comment down below if you guys want me to do this again with other things like mini brands, other fidget toys. I don't know. I guess. Oh, another video idea is I could do like pull a line from every video, and I can guess what video it's from. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah. I could probably do that with my grandma. That would be fun. So, anyways, I gotta get going, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.